This is the HP LaserJet Pro MFP M28 series. We're going to do the unboxing of this printer. Using a cutter, cut the tape on the side of the box. Open the box. These are the contents in the box. Let us remove them and go through each item. Let's remove the printer. Let's remove the tapes from the printer. This is a piece of instructions to teach you how to load paper. There's a piece of foam over here. Following the instructions, we are supposed to pull the orange tab over here. And discard it. Then we'll need to put this back into the printer. To power on the printer, first, plug the power into the wall sockets. Insert the power cords to the back of the printer. Press the power button to turn on the printer. The attention LED is blinking. This is because there is no paper in the printer. We will now show you how to load the paper into the printer. To load paper into the input tray, first open the input tray. Then take a stack of paper and slide the width adjuster to the side and load in the paper as shown. After loading, slide the width adjuster until it touches the paper. The paper is now loaded. After loading the paper, the attention LED has disappeared or no longer blinking. The wireless LED is still blinking because it has not connected to any network.